It's not that I think that ivermectin can help people. I know it helps people. The data is unmistakable, reproducible, and consistent. It shows quicker time to viral clearance, lower viral loads, faster times to recovery, and lowered mortality rates. It also shows that it can prevent transmission. We have numerous trials. So the data doesn't lie. So I'm Dr. Pierre Kory. I'm a lung specialist as well as an intensive care unit specialist. So I sort of take care of the sickest of the sick and probably an expert in a few fields within that specialty, but respiratory failure is one of them. And so when COVID happened, it's sort of right in my specialty and interest and skill set. And I will tell you that my experience with using the drug is in line with what the data already showed, which is robust, very potent, and what we call temporally associated responses. The patients themselves are telling me that the drug works. So we have to understand something about ivermectin. It's already won the Nobel Prize. It's already on the World Health Organization's list of essential medicines for its anti-parasitic properties. What we're learning about this medication is just phenomenal. So it has numerous antiviral properties. So in SARS-CoV-2 particularly, it binds to the spike protein, and we think that's what prevents entry into the cell. It also interrupts the production of critical proteins that the virus needs in order to replicate. And that's just the antiviral properties. The anti-inflammatory properties are now really compelling. It basically inhibits many of the mediators of inflammation because it's working in hospitalized patients. Hospitalized patients, viral replication is not the problem, it's inflammation. So it's essentially a host of antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. It truly is a remarkable drug in that respect. We consider it a bridge to the vaccine until the vaccine is available, as well as a safety net to the vaccines if the vaccines, if you can't take the vaccines and or the vaccines don't offer long-lasting immunity, which we're hoping for. It's certainly another tool in the toolkit, and we need everything we can to go after this pandemic. When I look at the data, I'm an expert at the data. The most profound and potent and unmistakable effects is actually in the prevention. It is almost a nearly perfect preventative. So it's going to be another tool to use along with vaccines. But the thing is, before we get to that, we need enough supplies. Governments need to put this into policy, manufacturing capability, and we have to treat those that are sick. We're hearing from so many doctors who've incorporated into their practice. And basically, I'm hearing the same thing from every physician. They are saying, especially when they start early, within 12, 24, 36 hours, patients are reporting drastic improvements in their symptoms. They are starting to feel better quickly.